The AB wheel roller with automatic rebound assistance and resistance springs represents a significant innovation in the realm of home fitness equipment. Catering to both men and women, this compact device is engineered to enhance core workouts efficiently and safely. The foremost feature of this AB wheel roller is its automatic rebound mechanism, which plays a crucial role in reducing physical strain during exercises. This function ensures that users can maintain consistent form and effort throughout their workout, effectively targeting the core muscles without undue pressure on the back and shoulders. This mechanism is particularly beneficial for beginners who may be apprehensive about maintaining proper technique. Additionally, the inclusion of resistance springs adds an extra layer of complexity to the exercise. These springs not only provide necessary stability, but also introduce a scalable challenge that grows with the user's strength and proficiency. As the individual rolls out, the resistance springs offer controlled opposition, which enhances muscle engagement and ensures a balanced workout. This feature is indispensable for advanced users who seek to push their limits and achieve higher levels of fitness. The AB wheel roller's design thus accommodates a broad spectrum of fitness enthusiasts, from novices to seasoned athletes. Beyond its functional merits, the AB wheel roller stands out for its user-friendly design. Its compact size makes it a convenient addition to any home gym, and its durability ensures long-term use without frequent replacements. The device is also easy to assemble and disassemble, making storage hassle-free. In sum, the AB wheel roller with automatic rebound assistance and resistance springs is not merely a fitness tool but a comprehensive solution for those serious about their fitness journeys. It merges convenience, efficiency, and safety in a single package, ensuring that every user can experience a superior core workout. Whether one is just starting out or looking to intensify an established routine, this AB wheel roller proves to be a valuable asset.